Hello, a very big welcome to our channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more. The solution in this video are tried and true. The last talks using decoder tuner status to proffer solutions. If you are in Nigeria, this video will help you a lot, but those in other regions can take errors of same nature with the processes outlined here. There is a link for another video on this is in the description. The DStv E30 error appears when your decoder is still verifying your subscription. First, leave the decoder on channel 152 or 154 for a few minutes and allow it to reconnect. Natural reconnection is usually the solution sometimes. If it doesn't clear, use the My DStv app or the self-service website to send an E30 reset. You can also contact DStv Customer Care for a reset signal. If the issue continues, reset your decoder to factory defaults. After reboot, select the E36B satellite. Choose your language, set the correct LNB type, unicable or universal, and scan your channels. The error should be resolved after this, but if not resolved, then check your signal. To check your signal, press the DStv button, go to Help tab, navigate to General Information, then go to Tuner Status. Check both signal strength and quality on both Tuner 1 and 2. If both tuners show strong signal, ask DStv for a reset. If there's no signal on both tuners, realign your dish. If only one tuner has signal, check or replace your RG6 cable. These steps will help you clear E30 and restore your viewing. Subscribe for more.